Hello guys, today we are going to draw Robin, Lego Robin specifically. So let's draw him. Let's start with his head. Let's draw a curve for the top of his head right here, like so, and then go down the side of his head, a couple lines, and then his chin down here is going to be a little flat at the bottom, and then a nice curve to join the other line. Alright, let's draw his bangs across with a line right here, and then his hairline will be here, and then move over to the edge. Same thing here, over to the edge, and just a hint of the hair going down over here. But let's go and continue the lines, the hair lines across, and then another one there, and another one here. And because his hair part's right about here, let's draw a line that goes something like this, and then more hair lines going over that way. Okay, now let's draw his mask. So a curve right in the middle from here to about there, and then two curves on either side for the edge of his mask. And then just a little bit below that line, we'll draw a curve towards the middle. Same with the other side, so that sticks up a bit, and we'll make that sort of a small triangle. Alright, next we'll draw the bottom of his eye right here and right there, and make nice curves for his eyes right there. Okay, let's just go ahead and darken these, blacken these out. We try them for the mask. Just using a sharpie marker here. It's cheap, covers a lot of ground, lasts a while, makes a good marker for black. Alright, next thing we're gonna do is draw his mouth. We'll draw his mouth over here to the side. So let's just draw a curve out here, and then a curve underneath here. Alright, let's draw his teeth, the upper teeth there, and then let's just angle the lower teeth a bit this way, and draw in the inside of his mouth. Okay, now let's draw his body, which will probably go down about here or so. So let's just draw a straight line going down, and then another straight line going down, and connect those two. Okay, now let's draw his belt. So his belt buckle is round, so just draw a circle and another circle inside, and then draw a line across parallel to the bottom line there, across, and then draw these rectangles, one on that side and one on this side. Okay, let's continue the belt across like so. Alright, let's draw his collar. So let's just draw a V-shaped line to the middle and to the other side. Alright, he's got an R emblem on his left chest, so Let's draw a circle as round as you can make it. Draw a line here and then out here for the R. Now let's go further and then curve out, and then draw lines that are parallel to that line and this, and blacken those in. Okay, that R will be colored yellow later. Okay, and then just draw an oval for the inside of the R. Okay, now down here, let's draw a straight line down and over, and connect those two with a line. Alright, now we'll draw his legs, which goes down to about here. Let's just draw a straight line down from here, straight line, and on the other side, straight line. Okay. Go across, not quite all the way, and another line across for the bottom. And finish off the legs like so, and then a line to show that he's got feet down here. It's not very 3D because we're looking straight at the leg. Alright, let's draw the arms. So the arms will go down to about the middle of his belt here. So draw a curve down to about the middle of the belt. Same thing on the other side, pretty much parallel to the body line. And then from here, the shoulder curve out, and here curve out. Go out first and then curve down a bit to go down. Make the arms about the same thickness as the other side. Alright, now we'll draw a slight curved line down at the bottom. Shows the end of his arm. Okay, and let's just draw a line here. Okay, now let's draw the arms. So this is going to be a little bit narrower than the arm. I should say the hand. So the wrists go like so, and then we're going to draw a curve. Actually, let's draw the wrist a little bit. Oh, actually that should be good. Alright, from here to here we'll draw an incomplete circle. So let's just start here. Curve down, and over here curve down, and we'll do the same here. Circle that doesn't quite meet up, and draw two short lines at the bottom where the opening will be, and then draw a smaller circle inside, keeping it more or less parallel with that outer circle. Okay, the only thing left to do is his cape. So let's go ahead and draw the cape back here. Let's just start from here and draw a curve out to the side, and then draw a line across, and you can see it between his legs right there, so we'll draw a little line right there, and that's it. That's Robin. I'm just gonna go ahead and darken this parts of his hair right now. It's a pretty easy, simple drawing, just a line drawing, but we'll go ahead and color it in later. So please like and subscribe. I'm gonna draw some more as much as I can just to try to get better at this. Okay, shadow right there maybe. Most of his hair is gonna be like a grayish color once I finished coloring. Maybe a little shadow there and a shadow here. Okay, fixed it a bit. And I'm gonna go ahead and blacken this as well. So there's a shadow line right there underneath the sleeve. And then I'm gonna color that outer part of his arm or of his wrist. Same thing with, well, here this one's a little flatter, so I'm just gonna make it dark like so on the inside maybe. And there you go. Robin. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.